Again to show you another tutorial using the Winter's Tale embellishments from ARTYmaze. So I'm building a journal at the moment, and my last video I showed you how to do one of these, line your envelope. So I've used the papers from ARTYmaze. Now I'm not decorating everything, I'm just kind of making the basics for it, and then I haven't even made the journal yet, but it is printed out. So I've got a sheet to work with so that I know what kind of pockets and what sizes I want to do, or I have to do in the pages. So that's my little go-to sheet at the moment. Like I said, I haven't even put it together yet, but I'm just working on bits and bobs. So this is one of the printouts. Now I'm actually not sure what it's designed for. Sorry Andrea, but I'm guessing, or what I'm going to do is make a pocket for the page that will sit on the page like this, and you can slip a tag in behind, and then this will open out. It's like a gatefold, right? So I've gone ahead and inked everything up. I have also printed out some tags from the kit. Just put them onto some cream cardstock. I may go around and sew them, but I've just literally glued them on and inked them up for the tutorial. This is a pocket. What I did have to do was cut the little flaps off at these three sides, but I did keep the top one on. That's just to fold it over to kind of reinforce it, so that when you're putting tags in, they're not going to rip on the paper, or it's not going to rip the paper. So then I printed out one of the lined sheets of paper, and I've cut that up because it's going to go on here and here and here, so that it's just not plain on the back. So I won't give you the sizes because it depends on what size you print it out at, and I believe I printed this out at 95% on the PDF. So I'm just gonna glue around the edges, and I've got some new ideas in my head on how to add new pockets and things like that. Kind of going back to my days of making mini albums, because I used to make loads of them before I started getting into junk journals. So I'm just going to glue that down. Now I would suggest that when you cut it so that it's like a millimetre short all the way around, so that when you fold it, it's not going to crease over and bumfle up and look really chunky. So that's that one. I'll do each one individually on my videos. I'm not going to do loads in the one video. I'll just do them in part 1, part 2, etc. So I just have to move that so I can see it properly. And just line it up. You can stitch it all on if you want. I may go back and do that once I've kind of assembled everything. Oops. So this kit is so pretty. I love the blues in it. It looks kind of frosty and kind of frozen kind of look to it, and the animals in it are absolutely gorgeous. I'll put that there. There's a little banging going on outside. There we go. So that's that. As you can see, it's going to fold over quite nicely, and it'll kind of reinforce the paper and make it a little bit more solid. Now you could go and notch out a circle there if you're going to use it as a top loading pocket. I'm not going to, I'm just going to leave it like so. So this is the pocket that I've trimmed the three sides off of, and that's all been inked up. Just a little bead of glue as close to the edge as you can, so that you don't, it's just basically so that you don't lose a lot of space for tucking your tags in, and then just kind of line that up at the bottom. I hope I'm in frame. And like I said, I haven't decorated the tags or anything, but they will just sit in there. I'm not going to tuck it right down because obviously it's still wet in there. And then that goes in there and that goes in there. And it will close. And what I think I might do is put some ribbon around there, so that it's some white ribbon or some white organza ribbon, so that I can tie it in a bow when it's on the page, like so. So it will be like that, and then you will have your top tuck in there as well, and you can add another tag in there. You don't have to actually add these in the pocket, but you can add something else. And then either side here, it will give you some journaling space as well. So that's my number 2, what I'm adding into my journal. Hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions, just ask, and I will link ARTYmaze's shop below, so go over and check out the kit because it's amazing. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.